Hi there guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. As you can see, I'm holding the list of the spare parts that I'm gonna buy for my ever-loving wagon Britney Cheryl. But I already bought the first 5 in here. And it's some kind of expensive, but it's okay, it's all original. And I'll be starting to fix my wagon Britney Cheryl maybe tomorrow or the next day. And as you can see, it costs for how much? Only 7,644 pesos. See that? And I also asked for some price list of their newest products, but I'm not gonna buy yet. And afterwards I'm gonna follow the other parts for this that indicates in here. Okay, so we have to go. Hold on. By the way, these are the spare parts that I already bought. Oils, and this is the spark plug rather. And what's this? Filter oil. And I also have here a air filter. These 5 are very important, so I have to buy all of this one. Okay, hold on. So shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, to my sister Christine, to my childhood friend Helen Carreto, and special mention to Kenneth Alemania and Sarah Jane, or Yud A. Hi, Sarah Jane. Hi, Kenneth. And of course, I shouldn't be forgot. Is this Kimbot of H11? If you want to buy some phone accessories or you want your phone to get tampered, please visit Kimbot of H11 from Santa Lucia in front of a fountain area. Okay, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi to all my lovely countries, hello, and especially India and the United States, of course. And hi to my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, everyone. So we have to go. And shout out to each everyone. Okay, bye for now. Hold on. I'm gonna go now to Santa Lucia. So this is their newest Francs. I'm eyeing for this one, guys and girls. Bye. Bye, IC. Thank you. Nico, thank you so much. Say hi. Okay, thank you. So we have to go now. Now I wish I'm gonna fix my... There we are. Bye for now. We're here in Taytay, Rizal.